Europa is a great mystery, and it's one of the biggest candidates for containing life. Beneath its surface lies a great ocean which could harbor life forms. But there are many strange things in our own neighborhood, which leads us to the top 10 most mysterious photos and videos from space. That's number 10, Pluto's markings. The New Horizons craft has just photographed Pluto, and one side appears to have multiple holes. Each dark area is about 300 miles across and are not likely caused from impacts. New Horizons is still transmitting data back to Earth, so the weird future will remain a mystery for now. At number 9, Saturn's hexagonal vortex. Discovered back in the 80s, NASA has just released Cassini's new photos of this strange phenomenon. The vortex has an area of 20,000 miles across and is composed of 200-mile-per-hour jet streams, which is located at the northern hemisphere of the planet. It could have existed for centuries, and it might have been caused by mini storms around the perimeter. Scientists are still trying to figure out how this event even happens, and it just shows that even some of the coolest things in our universe are in our own solar system. That's number 8, the X-shaped comet. Traveling at over 11,000 miles per hour, the Hubble telescope discovered this weird object only a few years ago. The nucleus appears to be outside its dust cloud, and nothing like it has ever been discovered before. It still cannot be proven on how the object has been formed, but it could have been caused by two asteroids colliding with an energy output similar to a nuclear bomb. But then again, this kind of looks like a Cylon base star from Battlestar Galactica. That's number 7, the Comet 67P object. Can you remember when the first spacecraft landed on a comet? It was a great accomplishment, and something weird was even photographed. In 2014, Rosetta took a photo of a metallic-like sphere which appears to be levitating above the surface. But is this object just a rock? Or something else? At number 6, the Ceres pyramid-like mountain. In 2015, the Dawn spacecraft took very peculiar photos of the dwarf planet. Several lights were found, and scientists are not sure if they're made of ice, salt, or something else. But what even makes Ceres more weird is the pyramid-like mountain. Okay, well, it might not be the Illuminati, but it is the only mountain of its kind on Ceres. It is 15,000 feet high and not made from any impact features. Nothing ever like it has ever been found before, so it remains a mystery for now. We have now reached the halfway point on this video, and things are going to get a little bit weird. So I'm just going to warn you right now, you might wear a tinfoil hat for the rest of your life. So on to number 5, the Black Knight satellite. If you already watched my Strangest Objects 2 video, you probably already know that this story has been twisted over the years. The Endeavour space shuttle captured a clear image of an unknown object, and many believe it to be one of the alien satellites orbiting Earth. Astronauts claim that it's really just a thermal blanket. However, it does not disprove the Black Knight's existence and its alleged discovery before the launch of Sputnik 1. That's number 4, the STS-75 tether incident. It kind of looks like it was filmed by a potato camera, but it's one of the most controversial segments of classic video footage. Shot back in 1996, the 12-mile cable was intended to be used in a magnetic field experiment, but later broke off. Multiple mile-long UFOs appear to fly by the tether, and many people believe these to be some type of craft or biological life forms. Debunkers explain that the flying ships were just ice particles combined with poor camera instability. But then again, it would be kind of cool to see an upconverted HD video from the original footage. That's number 3, the SDO mothership craft. The SDO has found many weird things, but on July 22, 2012, the Solar Dynamics Observatory captured what appears to be an object emitting light. You can even go to helioviewer.org and look at this weird thing. If it is really beside the sun, it would be bigger than the Earth. So is it a flying ship, a life form, something interdimensional, or just a glitch in the photo? This is not the only odd thing captured by the SDO, which brings us to the next position in the list. At number 2, the SDO sphere. One of the weirdest events caught by the SDO satellite. Many people believe this to be some type of spaceship refueling. It remains stationary for multiple days and appears to gather energy from the sun. NASA explains that this event is a natural coronal prominence cavity and is actually quite common. However, scientists do not fully understand the event, and many people still believe that it's something paranormal and beyond regular solar activity. That's number 1, the Gemini 10 UFO photo. There have been many UFOs photographed over the half-century of spaceflight. My favorite one is this Gemini 10 photograph, which appears to be some type of craft. But like all UFOs, It does not necessarily mean that it's alien, it just means it's unidentified. But having said that, many astronauts including Edgar Mitchell and Gordon Cooper have come out of the woodworks and stated that alien visitation is occurring. So I'll let you decide on what really is happening. So once again, thanks for watching, and here's a compilation of some of my favorite UFO photos from space.